Let's get real about RV life. It's not all sunsets and s'mores. There's one job every RVer dreads: dumping the tanks. Standard hoses, flimsy, leaky, and a disaster waiting to happen. One crack or bad seal and suddenly you're in a biohazard zone. Why settle for equipment that fails when you need it most? Enter the Camco RhinoFLEX 20ft RV sewer hose kit, the Amazon bestseller with a cult following. Built tough, flexible, and designed to make dumping clean and stress-free. No more duct tape, no more prayers, just confidence and peace of mind. The RhinoFLEX is Media Group, person-sealing RV sewer hose connection, confident RVer dumping tanks, clean RV dump station process at its stock, at distribute_equally, crush-resistant, flexible for storage and seals tight every time. It turns the dirtiest job into a surprisingly clean one. Ready to see if it lives up to the hype? Let's dive in. Open the RhinoFLEX box and you know it's built for the job. Two rugged 10-foot hoses, reinforced with steel wire, tough yet flexible. Pre-attached bayonet and lug fittings with 4 sturdy prongs for a leak-proof lock. Swivel fittings mean no more wrestling or kinks, just a perfect seal. The translucent elbow adapter fits any dump station and lets you see when the job's done. No more guessing or messy surprises. 4 storage caps keep drips and odors contained after use. Every detail is designed for real-world RVers, practical, durable, and easy to use. This isn't just a hose, it's a complete system. From box to bay, it's clear Camco knows the dirty job and how to make it better. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Let's see how it performs at the dump station. Time for the real test. At the dump station, the RhinoFLEX shines. The bayonet fittings twist on with a secure click. No leaks, no stress. Swivel connectors make setup effortless, even with both hoses for a full 20-foot reach. The hose lays flat, resists crushing, and stays kink-free. Attach the clear elbow, pull the valve, and watch. No drips, no drama. You see exactly when the tank's empty and the water runs clean. Real users rave, the Cadillac of sewer hoses, 0 leaks after years of use, and survived being run over by a truck. Cleanup is just as easy. Hose collapses down, storage caps seal in odors, and everything stows away neatly. No mess, no lingering smells, no stress. The RhinoFLEX turns a dreaded chore into a quick, clean routine. It's a game changer for RVers everywhere. Dumping the tanks doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right gear, it's just another part of the adventure. That's the RhinoFLEX difference. Let's wrap it up. The verdict? The Camco RhinoFLEX is the only sewer hose you'll ever need. It's tough, reliable, and makes the worst RV job a breeze. Heavy-duty construction, leak-proof fittings, and clear visibility. Every feature solves a real problem. Storage caps keep things clean after the job's done. For a small investment, you get peace of mind and a hassle-free experience. Don't risk a messy disaster or ruined trip with a cheap hose. Upgrade to the RhinoFLEX and join thousands of happy RVers. Make dumping quick, clean, and stress-free every time. Get the right tool for the job and never look back. You'll wonder why you waited so long.